Hyundai has brought forth a new generation for the Veloster Coupe with an all-new 2019 model year design for the car alongside a turbocharged option and a new, high-performance model under Hyundai's N lineup. Every 2019 Veloster model has advanced safety features available as options, including forward collision warning and automatic braking for crash mitigation, lane keeping assistance, high beam lighting assistance, and driver attention warning systems. A rear-view parking camera and complete suite of airbags are standard equipment. Infotainment is provided by the latest generation Hyundai suite. This includes the top-end infotainment option with BlueLink, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and app integration capabilities on a 7-inch color display. The good news is that the new 2019 Hyundai Veloster features both a special turbo and a high-performance N variant. The Veloster's turbo model upgrades the engine to a much more likable 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that outputs 201 HP 150 kilowatts at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 196 lb-ft 266 Nm of torque at just 500 revolutions per minute. Torque continues in a wide band all the way up to 4,500 revolutions per minute. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard on the turbo and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic is optional. Active sound design on the Veloster Turbo allows different powertrain sound characteristics inside the cabin, which are controlled through drive modes that include normal, sport, and smart. The sport-tuned dynamics of the Veloster are enhanced in the Veloster Turbo model, which has McPherson strut front suspension utilizing coil springs, gas shock absorbers, and a 24 mm diameter front stabilizer bar.